Good day everyone, I'm Michael from Nigeria, a Yorùbá tutor with 4 years experience in teaching the language both online and physical. In our class, we teach with passion and also we start with daily greetings, everyday conversation, songs, idioms in order to make it easier for the students to remember the lesson quickly after the class. Whether you are a complete beginner or you have been speaking the language little by little before, you can join us to start the journey of the language. And also, we teach both adults, old people, students that want to learn the language, and also we also teach small children in order to help them because Yoruba language is very rich in culture. Come along with me, join us in the class. Let's start the journey of the language together. And within a month, you see changes. Thank you. Once again, my name is Michael.